Okay, after trying to get the case back together twice, and after hearing some horrible sounds, I found a little problem with this transmission. So here's the 5th gear synchro, and you can see where that notch has been sheared off, especially if you compare it to one that's still square. That might be okay, but then the spring that goes around it is no longer circular. It's all bent. Probably because this wasn't lined up correctly and I was trying to mash all this together with the case. Anyway, I tried putting it back together. The spring doesn't hardly apply any pressure to the synchro, to help match the speed. So basically that's not good. It probably could be fixed with a new spring set, which is like 45 bucks. But I think I'm going to avoid all of that because I have the original transmission from the car, which is an LX 6th gen transmission. So it actually has a little better gear ratio for 5th gear anyway, and I'm going to take the 5th gear, the whole 5th gear assembly from that transmission, put it on this one, throw it back together and call it a day. All the parts should fit. The gears on Synchrotech's website, same parts for both transmissions, same slider, is the same part, so everything should fit. And if it doesn't, I guess I'll find out. So I'm gonna clean this thing off and pull that 5th gear out, throw it on there, and try to get this transmission on the engine. Yeah, I'm boxing this one up, so I'm gonna put this one off to the side. This one basically has no 5th gear right now, and I don't want to mess with it. I have to break the engine in and tune the car anyway, so I'll just have to be stuck with that LX transmission for a little while and go from there. Okay, me and Jake got the transmission on last night at like 10 p.m. And the new clutch, stage 4 competition clutch. And I can show you the stock clutch. That is bare metal.
The other springs and the pressure plate.
Yeah, I don't have that, or actually I do have that part.
It's against the flywheel when you're driving.
Yeah.
These,
Imagine a flywheel under that, and then this plate, that smooth plate. Yeah, I just dumped
and
clutch
this,
material
and then
in
this
there.
is the spring. All these little fingers.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's just like a big clamp, basically.